Hello student, today I am going to teach you about open and closed figure. Okay, so all of you open your book, look at the page number 134 and 135. Open figure and closed figure. What is the open figure? Open figure. A figure or the shape that has the starting and the end points at different position is called open figure. Means suppose a figure start from this point and ending on the other point. Means a figure that have the different end points are called open figures. Okay. Another one more diagram. Figure that start and end at the different point are called the open figure. So what is the definition of the open figure? Open figure have the start and the ending points are different position is called the open figure. Another one more, suppose a figure is start from here and ending on this point, so it is the open figure. Now second one, closed figure. Closed figure. A closed figure, what is this? A figure that begins and the ends at the same point are called the closed figures. A figure that start and end at the same point are called the closed figures. Another diagram, start from this point, move and come back on that point, it is the closed figure. So definition of the closed figure, a figure or the shape that have the begins and the ends at the same point are called the closed figure. Now simple closed figure. Third one is simple closed figure. What is the simple closed figure? A figure or the shape does not cross to itself are called the simple closed figure. Does not cross to itself. It is the simple diagram of the simple closed figure. Why? Because of it does not cross on itself. In that triangle also does not cross to itself. So we can say they are the simple closed figure. Okay. But in the closed figure, suppose this diagram. In this shape, this diagram is cross on this self. It is the closed figure but cross on this self. So we can say it is just only closed figure, not a simple closed figure. And the circle and the triangle, they are the example of the simple closed figure. Okay. So one more diagram. Look at here. Yes. It is also cross on this point. So it is, we can say they are the closed figure only, not a simple closed figure, and they are the simple closed figure. Why? Because of they are does not cross on itself, but they are crossing to itself. So those shapes, they are crossing to itself, they are closed, but crossing to itself, they are the simple, not simple closed figure. They are only closed figure. So definition, I repeat the all definitions. First, open figure. Open figure, a figure or the shape that have starting and ending point on the different position are called the open figure. Okay, that is the shape of the open figure. Open figure. Okay. Next, closed figure. Closed figure means a figure that have the starting and the ending point on the same position are called the closed figure. And the simple closed figure, a figure that does not cross to itself are called the simple closed figure. Okay. So now the diagram of the closed figure, it is the closed figure. Closed figure, and the simple closed figure, square, rectangle, circle, triangle or other different shapes. They are the simple closed figure. Why? Because of they are not crossing to itself, but they are crossing to itself. So they are closed figure only, and they are simple closed figure. And the definition of the closed figure, a figure or the shape that have the starting and the ending point on the same position are called closed figure. Okay, have you clear? Now move on the polygon. What is the polygon? Polygon is made by the simple closed figure, we can say. Means a simple closed figure made by the line segment are called the polygon. Polygons. What is the definition of this polygon? A simple closed figure made by the line segment are called the polygons. Okay, polygon जो है वो simple line segment, कोई भी simple closed figure है और जो line segment से मिलकर बना है वही polygon कहलाता है. And the name of the polygon according to number of the line segment. Okay, suppose how many line segments in that figure? 3 line segments. It is the triangle. It's a type of the polygon. And how many line segments in that? 3 line segments. It's a square. It is also known as the polygon because of it's made by the line segment. It is also polygon. Which type of the polygon? A rectangle. It's a type of the polygon. Then how many line segment in that? 5 line segment. So it is the pentagon. It is also type of the polygon. And how many line segment in that? 5 line segment, pentagon. And then it is the quadrilateral. It is also made by the 4 line segments. So it is also known as the polygon, quadrilateral type of the polygon. And then how many line segment in that figure? 6 line segments. That is why it is the hexagon. Okay. So all they are the different shape closed figure and different number of line segment in the figures, and polygon is named according to the number of line segment. Okay. They are the polygons: triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, quadrilateral, hexagon. Okay. So all they are the type of the polygons. Okay, so let's start the exercise 6.5. First question. What is the first question in that? Color the simple closed figure. Color the simple closed figure. Second, circle. Third, okay, there are given the different shapes and we have to find out the simple closed figure among them. Is that a simple closed figure? What is the definition of the simple closed figure? A figure that is starting and the ending at the same point and does not cross to itself is called the simple closed figure. So is that a simple closed figure? Yes, it is a simple closed figure. Okay. Is that a simple closed figure? Only just a single circle is a simple closed figure, but here is the 2 circle and both are crossing on these points. So no, it is not a simple closed figure. It is the open figure, and yes, that is a simple closed figure. Simple closed figure. And you have to color them. Those are the simple closed figure, you have to color them. Okay. Now next question number B. Question number B. What is given there in question number B? Color the polygons. Color the polygons. In that question also given the different shape. Third, And fourth one, okay, we have to find out the polygon among them. What is the definition of the polygon? Polygon is made by the simple closed figure. Okay, simple closed figure is made by the line segment is called the polygon. Polygon क्या होता है? एक simple closed figure made by the line segment only, not by the curved line, only by the line segment is called polygon. Yes, it is a polygon. Why? Because of it is made by the line segment only. Yes, this one also polygon. Is that a polygon? No. Why? Because of in one direction there is a curved line. That is why it is not a polygon. Then is that a polygon? No. Because of in this diagram also curved line. So only two polygons in that question. Okay. Also you have to color them. Now question number C. In the question number C, you have to identify the polygon, type of the polygon. Okay, according to the number of line segment. And C, third one has pentagon. Okay. How many sides in that? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's which type of the polygon? Pentagon. Okay, pentagon. Second, how many line segments in that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is why it is a hexagon. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 line segments in that figure. That is like pentagon. Okay, so have you clear how to identify the polygon? Count the number of line segment and find out the type of the pentagon or polygon. Okay. So this exercise finished. You have to practice of all these open figure, closed figure and polygon. Okay, thank you.